Thokozani bakhokho nomkhulu. Ngani zakwethu sikhuluma ngokuqina. Whether in a form yokuthi uqedela ukuthi ube nesithunzi njengomuntu noma uqinela izitha noma uqinela iposition oyibambile emsebenzini. Ngani zakwethu ukuqina kubalulekile. Kufana noqinela izitha, uqinela abathakathi, uqinela ubuthakathi. Ngani zakwethu kubalulekile uqina. It doesn't matter ukuthi uqina ngani noma uyesontweni uyokhohliswa thiwa uqine wena ngelokhuzana nge-olive oil or uqine ngani nge-bath salt, it doesn't matter. Kodwa uqina kubalulekile ngani zakwethu. There are many ways yokuqina. Uyaqina ngomuthi njena naturally, uyaqina ngesimo sechibi ngokwenkolo. Kuyenzeka lokho futhi kuyasebenza ngeke uphikise ngeproof yalokho ukuthi uqina ngokwenkolo ikhona into ekuthiwa uqina ngokwenkolo. Lokho kwenziwa labantu abayibiza ngabaprofeti bendabuko. Kube khona uqina kwendabuko njena njengokuthi usebenzisa amakhambi njengoqhuma nokuphalaza. Kunemithi ekhona ondoda emnyama, omnyamathi bayangena lapho, umhlakaza bayangena lapho, imithi ethi ayifana naleyo. Bese kuba khona uqina kwemithi yesintu ehlanganise namafutha ezilwane namathambo ezilwane. It doesn't matter ngani zakwethu. What is important ukuthi uqina kubalulekile, especially when you start a new year ngani zakwethu. You need to clean yourself. You need to be prepared for the new year. You need to make sure ukuthi you start a new year in a good faith. But this is not a channel for abazalwane ngani zakwethu. So we're not going to accommodate indaba zabazalwane ukuthi okay makuthiwa wena ukholelwa emthini wenze njani. No, there are many people who are doing a great job for abazalwane, abantu okuyibona abangakholelwa emthini. So they will tell them what to do. But thina sikhuluma nabantu abangasabi, abayigqajayo ngesimo sokuthi isimo sabantu abadala, isimo somuthi nesimo sedluzi basebenzisa. Kodwa ngani zakwethu qina kwaphakade, qina komsamo. Ayihamba yolala ngani zakwethu, hamba yolala. Hamba yolala. Uyabona inetwork yakho yomsamo imibambile. Inetwork yakho yomsamo ibambile inhlamvu idlula la. Without ukuthi uke waye enyangeni wayoqinela isibhamu. Kodwa inhlamvu idlula la. Uma kuthiwa inetwork yakho yomsamo iyabamba, uthola umuntu okwaziyo, i-technician yedlozi izakwazi amadoda ke lezo ogogo bathini Mbatha. I-technician yedlozi ukuthi enze sure umuntu ukuthi i-network yakho yedlozi it's on point at all time. Akunala ukuthi wakhona hayi usemgodini gibela phezulu kwethuna la lokhuzana la kwamakhumalo awubambi kahle i-network in no. I-network yakho ibambe ngendlela efanele. Akukho uqina okudlula lokho. Kukhona kunqina ngani zakwethu zamafutha sifaka amabhande, ukhothe, uncinde, ukhwife imithi. It doesn't matter, but the bottom line is ukuqina kubalulekile uma kuqala unyaka. Salukwazi ndoda, Gogo Bathini Mbatha, intatheli yamathongo, technician yemsamo. Gogo Bathini Mbatha 083 533 9183. Asiyenzene into yenzeke ngani zakwethu. Unyaka uyaqala, ungaqali unyaka unqunu. Insizwe zihambile zayosebenza. Wena ubhizi notshwala uDisemba wonke ubhizi uyiphuzela utshwala, ubhizi nefebe, uDisemba wonke ubhizi namadoda, uDisemba wonke. Abantu abawazi ukucabangela unyaka ozayo bahambile beyosebenzisa imuthi. Uyabuya wena ngoJanuary emsebenzini, kuyafika i-financial year, kukhishwa ama-post amasha, kukwenziwa ama-promotions, kwenziwa ini, awutholi lutho wena bese uthi hey bayangizonda, I'm qualified and everything. Your qualifications means nothing if ungakwazi ukwabheka up ngezinto right. Gogo Bathini Mbatha 083 533 9183 083 533 9183. Salukwazi sendoda, ithongo lama intatheli yamathongo ngani zakwethu, i-technician yomsamo ngani zakwethu, siyenze network ibambe ngani zakwethu. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to press the notification button, don't forget to like, most importantly don't forget to share. Whether you share on WhatsApp or you share on social media, it doesn't matter. Inkosi Tholomuso, Malutu.